Usembun mitrang ba kajala megalea badai kmi ya katana peludi roads ba Prestone Tynsong haka spotrek luber arjar arpuar ula pentep ba ka jingterwa bansina ya ka jingkieng Khasimara Ryngku lapha sakanabat infrastructure development assistant NIDA uba Prestone luong bantang ap ya kamang tengka haba jubab ya ka jingkeli belakeli dong nong thawan ke All India Trinamool Congress ba HM sang pliang haka kenta keli jingkeli haka si bestan ke dorbar mang tengka jong ke yeng dorbar thawan ke jela ula pentep ba ap sau kelu tengka lamang bansina ya ka jingkieng ke bajrong kumba sispa arpumitar bat yethu ba katnat kadang ap bat budien ya kan ni jingterwa bat lesi haka bakut uni benai on samang tengka.
Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to third question 47A. Sir, construction of Khasimara Bridge in Ryngku, including approaches, has been proposed under NABARD Infrastructure Development Assistance. B. Sir, sanction is awaited.
Honorable Speaker, sir, I must sincerely thank the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister in charge PWD for his kind consideration in proposing the construction of this very important bridge and over the river Khasimara, which has been a long felt need of the people of the international border in Mausaram constituency, sir. I would like to ask a question relating to the same bridge. What is the estimated amount for the construction of this bridge?
Sir, the span of this bridge is about 120 meters, and the proposed amount submitted is 24 crores.
So my second question is, sir, when is the project expected to be sanctioned, sir?
Sir, in fact, we are in touch with NABARD. Hopefully, towards the end of this month, sanction will be accorded by the institutions.
Thank you very much, sir.